Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today we're going to do a very easy and fun acrylic pour technique, and that is using bubble wrap. So here I just have a piece of bubble wrap that I have laid down on the table, and I'm just starting to lay down some paint on top. So today I will put in the description below all the colors that I'm using, but they're basically my same paint recipe that I always use, just a regular consistency. They're all the same consistency. So I'm just having some fun really today without any rules. I'm putting down all different kinds of colors here on the bubble wrap. And this is a really fun project that you can do with kids, or even if you're going to do a paint night of some kind, this would be a really fun and easy way to help introduce people to the acrylic pouring medium. You can use any size canvas for this. I'm using a relatively small one today just to see how this comes out with these sort of vibrant and wild colors. The great thing about this technique is if you are going to have guests over to do this or do this for a party, it's not using a ton of paint so that it's not going to take days and days to dry. This is definitely a better option for those of you who perhaps want, folks to be able to take home their art. This would be easy to pack up into sort of a takeout container or some kind of container that you could give your guests and not have to worry about the paint sliding off because there's not much on there. So here I'm just laying down the canvas. I'm just pressing it down into the bubble wrap really well. We'll see what happens. Just lifting up the canvas, and look at that. It's got a really cool effect. It almost looks like feathers in some way. So let me just move this out of the way. There you go. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to subscribe for more easy and fun acrylic pouring technique videos. See you next time.